This exercise involves rounding. We're going to estimate the quotient 78.2209 divided by 16.09 by rounding to the nearest 10. So we have 78.2209 and we're dividing by 16.09. When I round 78.2209 to the nearest 10, I see that 7 is in the tens position, in the tens place. The next number to the right, 8, is 5 or higher, so that tells me to round 7 tens up to 8 tens. So I'll round that number up to 80. When I round 16.09 to the nearest 10, I have 1 in the tens place. The next digit to the right, 6, is 5 or higher, so I round up again. I round 16.09 to 20. And I should put approximately equal to here since we're estimating. And now we have 80 divided by 20, and when we do that division we get 4 for the estimate.